Hey everybody, Chris Peel here from Property Abundance, and you're joining me live on site as we are out doing a patch day right now with one of our clients, Yannick, who's hiding around the corner here. Give him a wave, Yannick. Hello. So Yannick's recently got into the serviced accommodation game, got his first couple of deals, and we're here with him in Birmingham today, opposite the Bullring Shopping Centre, in this really nice high-spec apartment where he has just picked up the keys, and this is the first time he's having a look around. Now, he's taken over this property from a management company that was failing on the marketing. So again, a massive reason when we're running serviced accommodation, got to get the marketing right. Now, you've also, to get your marketing right, you've got to have the right product as well, right? So let me show you around, let me spot some of the things that we've advised Yannick on as we've been here today with him, that's going to help him to maximize both the nightly rate for this place as well as the occupancy. Nightly rate and occupancy equals profit. So let's have a quick look round. I'll just show you the things that we've spotted today when we've kind of had a tour of this place. So firstly, we've got a picture missing on the wall here. We've got things like this sofa. Now, when we've walked in, we found a load of stains on the sofa, stuff like this. This is the reason we never have canvas sofas in our serviced apartments. We want wipeable stuff, things like decent quality faux leather that are wipeable. Don't get cheap faux leather, otherwise this kind of thing happens. Okay, so again, we're going to be replacing this sofa, replacing this chair, this sofa with higher quality wipeable leather. If we go over to the kitchen, again, decent little kitchen in this place. Most things work. What we have noticed, in fact, everything works, but one thing we have noticed is we are missing enough stuff for guests to use, okay? So we're marketing this property as available for up to 4 people. There are 4 plates, but that means that every single time the guests have to cook a meal, it means they've got to go and do the washing up straight away. Now, look, you could say that's a good thing, but I like to provide guests with convenience when they're there. Luckily, it comes with decent quality cooking equipment already in, so again, that's one less thing Yannick's going to have to worry about. So let me go through to the bedroom. Oh, sorry, no, there's one other thing I want to show you in here. Quality bit of DIY. Let's have a look, see if you can spot it. What's wrong with this picture here? Yes, it is wonky. So again, like minor things like that just detract from the overall value feeling, but that same feeling carries through to the bathroom, where we do have a bit of a problem that we've picked up here. So if you can see down here, now there's a crack in the bath tile here, but if I step on it, I don't know if you'll be able to see this in the video, if I step on it, you can't really see that, but my foot's going down a long way, and this bath tile has not been fitted properly, and because it hasn't been fitted properly, it's cracked. Someone's tried to bodge it with silicone. You can see the silicone along the top here, done a terrible job, and now the floorboards underneath have become moldy and waterlogged. So one of Yannick's jobs here is going to be to take up this tiling, relay the tiling once we've replaced the floorboards, sort out, I'm not sure what's been stuck on the wall here, but sort out all this stuff, install shower curtains. But apart from that, like, as a bathroom goes, it's actually pretty nice. It's actually pretty nice. We do need to sort that flooring out though. Now, why is that so important? Well, look, straight away, when you're running a serviced accommodation unit, you live or die by your reviews, right? You live or die by your reviews. You can't have stuff like that going unattended, because straight away, if I was to walk in here as a guest and find them treading on the floor and it's all spongy, I'm thinking, what's going on here? They don't really care about the place. What am I not seeing? If I can see that, what are the unseen things? And straight away, I'm thinking, is this actually a place I want to stay? Now that's going to reflect in your reviews. Bad reviews lead to bad scores overall. Bad scores lead to less bookings, lower prices. And lower prices lead to less profit. So final place we're going to have a look is the bedroom here. So again, it's got already a nice zip link bed. This is something we want to put into all of our serviced apartments. Now, the good thing about a zip link is you can zip it together. You can literally see the zip down here. Turn it into a double bed, or you can split it apart and have 2 single beds. Great for flexibility in the property, because that means that you can have a family stay here where mum and dad want to share a bed, or you could have 2 contractors or 2 colleagues that, as good of friends as they might be at work, they may not want to share a bed together. We've got some nice wall art on here, nice decent quality furniture. That's a big storage unit here. Again, this is one of the things we noticed. So we actually took this mirror off the wall today. It was hung. We were looking at this mirror, and again, I don't know if you can see in the video, but it looked really wonky, and we were like, why is that so wonky? So we took it off, and sure enough, someone had firstly painted round the mirror, and secondly, it had been hung on the wall, like not straight. No one had used a spirit measure on it. Again, just small touches like that, just detract from the overall feeling of the place. So we want to make sure that even the small details like that are accounted for. Now, Yannick stands to do very well out of this place. Looking at the numbers, we reckon he'll average about £1,000 profit per month from this one. Now, this is a rent-to-rent deal. He's picked it up from an existing management company that was failing on the management. Based on the local nightly rates, based on the rent that he's paying, we forecast that he should be making around about £1,000 a month from this. So if you want to learn how you can do this strategy, how you can start getting and setting up apartments just like this, drop me a DM or have a look at the video link down below this video in the description, where you can book a free consultation call with one of my team, where we can give you exact clarity on what your next steps are to move your property investing forward, to move your property business forward. I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.